welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another what I eat in a day. It is so gloomy and gross out, hence the ponytail, and I am headed to work. So I figured I would share with you what I eat, especially on a work day, for low points on Weight Watchers, high protein, all that good stuff. So I am currently eating my breakfast, flip you around, which is this little mini bagel. I just wanted a little something with a little bit of whipped cream cheese on it. And then I have a protein shake. This is everything that I am bringing to work. I have a buffalo chicken salad with like a bunch of veggies, like two mini cucumbers. I have some carrots mixed in there. And this is just buffalo chicken left over from last night. Then I have strawberries and grapes as a snack, along with string cheese. So this will probably be my morning snack. And then I will eat my lunch. And I have low calorie or low fat ranch at work. I just left it there from the last time I had a salad. Whoops. And then I will have this and then have this after. It is a Kind bar, dark chocolate peanut butter, and they are so good. And then for drinks, I am bringing a Polar Seltzer. It is watermelon lemonade and is absolutely delicious. And then I have my big Stanley cup filled to the brim with ice water. So I think I have things already added in here. I do, except for my dinner, but I don't have my water in there, but mainly I am looking at my nutrition. So protein, we are only at 51 grams. That is not very good for the whole day. Carbs were a little heavy too. I should have planned better. I'm honestly like cleaning out some stuff out of the fridge. But I'll have to work on that because we are actually having pasta and meatballs. Maybe I'll just do like meatballs and sauce and I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying to get 135 grams of protein every day. So not the best, but again, I'm also trying to clean out my fridge and stuff like that. So I still have a lot of calories to work with. And I am going to be working out this afternoon as well. So maybe I'll switch out a snack and maybe instead of having that Kind bar, I'll have a protein bar and that will add in some protein. But that is it. I will share with you our dinner. I'll share any other snacks that we have and any of that. But I haven't done a what I eat in a day video like on Weight Watchers. And I didn't even do the points, honestly, because I'm mainly trying to track my protein. That is like the biggest thing I am looking for right now. So, all right, sorry, kids were getting on the bus and yelling to me that the bus was coming. So, why is this so close? I am making my coffee and I am headed to work. I am in trainings the next 3 weeks. I work part-time, but I have 3 weeks of training the next 3 weeks. So I'm there a ton. So I'm really trying to like meal prep and make sure we have our dinners cooked and all of that. So we're all just super sick. So we're all still getting back to the hang of like eating and all that stuff again because we were all, like I said, so sick. So that is what I have packed for today. Like I said, dinner is already in the crock pot cooking and will be delicious by the time we get home and have a nice home-cooked meal, but not the best probably on my carbs, but like I said, we're getting back into it. So I am gonna put all these dirty dishes in the sink, pack up my food, and head to work, but I will share with you guys our dinner and anything else that I decide to eat, so I will see you guys later on. Why, hello friends. I have just finished working out, which is why I'm sweaty and disgusting and in gym clothes. But it is 5:30. Kevin is picking up Leighton from dance. He has Austin with him. I ended up filling in all of the rest of the food for the night. We have our sauce and meatballs. It needs to be stirred. It's just sitting here on low, so the top looks a little bit dry. But once it's all mixed together, like I said, it smells so good in here. This is like a massive, if this doesn't look like a lot, this is a massive crock pot. It's like 5 quarts or something. It is ginormous. So, and apparently I was told today they don't make this kind of crock pot anymore. So if you can find this, grab it. I love it. But my next thing is I'm gonna put the sauce on. I'm gonna make some rolls, and then we're eating dinner with a side salad, and that will be it, because by the time we eat dinner, it probably won't be till 6, and I probably will be too full. I'm still honestly full from that salad I had from lunch and the protein bar I had. I switched the Kind bar, like I showed you guys, for the pure protein chocolate and peanut butter bar. So it is more protein and a little bit more filling and all that. So I am still kind of full from that. And I had a protein shake too. So let me pull up my Fitness Pal. I don't know if it added in, it did add in my workout. So it gave me a bunch of more calories to eat, but I don't eat all of that, which I have 1785 total for the day. And that includes a cup of pasta, meatballs, a crescent roll. Oh, I have 2 in there. I was gonna say I thought my dinner was a lot. So that makes it a lot. I was gonna say there's no way I had 1,700 calories. I only had like 900 or something from the rest of the day. So I have a side salad with some honey mustard or honey Dijon fat-free dressing, and my water. I had 120 ounces of water today. And my nutrition, I only had 87. I don't know why that keeps upping every day. I'm gaining, looking to my goal, good God, I can't speak, is 130, 135 every day. So I'm just getting back tracking, because like I said, we were sick and my carbs are a little bit over as well, but everything else is good. So I need to work better on my protein. I need to have my eggs in the morning, and that will fill in that gap. But that is it. I also have these little mini, I'm not focused, sorry. I also have these little mini ice cream cones that I got that are like 75 calories or something. They're like the little tiny ones that maybe if I do want dessert, where I had that little, that still that extra surplus, if I do want something, or a rice cake with peanut butter, maybe I'll have that. But sorry, I look gross, but it is shower time. I am going to, my hair is in desperate need of a wash. It is so dirty and sweaty, but I am going to go shower. By the time I'm showered, everyone will be home. I'll have them shower, and then we will sit down, have a nice family dinner, hang out together, and that will be it. So thank you guys so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.